Section looks quite autumnal, doesn't it? You're actually blending in with the colours. That is a cute set. It looks cute. Cinnamon and apple. Yes, the chunky throw in pink. Getting so excited. Hi everyone, it's Georgia and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a new In Primark video and I'm joined with Morgan. Hi! So we're very excited. So if you're returning to my channel then thank you so much for coming back, and if you are new here I'd absolutely love if you would subscribe. We have very exciting videos coming your way and let's just get on with the video. We've made it, we're about to go in. So excited, just see all the autumn clothes, I just can't wait. Right, so we've just got in, we're coming over to this section looks quite autumnal, doesn't it? You blended in with the colours already. I like those shorts, they'd be nice for a night out. Is it me or does that look wet?
Yeah, it's a wet look skirt.
Oh, that'd be why then. So cute. Yeah, matches, that's so nice. How much is it? £10 and £10. I feel like that's inside out, hun.
Yeah, for sure.
Let's get one behind. How cute is that? I feel like that's such a bougie outfit, like out for Sunday roast. That just reminds me of going out for a Sunday roast wearing that. Gonna go over to the joggers section. Oh, that was rude. That is a cute set. I feel like that just looks so put together. £8. How much is this? £8. If you want to put your bob hat with it, match up. You're a big fan of a co-ord, aren't you?
Yeah, I love a good co-ord.
Oh, I'm being very drawn to these joggers over there. Wow, they are so nice. Look at that set, how cute is that?
Yeah.
Oh, last time we came in they didn't have any sizes and looks like, again, they've only got extra large. I'm actually a big fan of that co-ord set as well. I love that one over there. How comfy do they look?
Oh, that is comfy, I tested it the other day.
Oh, did you? Love that. They look like the ones in Zara. You know how Zara have the ones that aren't very tracksuit material? And how much is it in here? Probably cheaper than Zara, £10 and £13. I really like these fleeces. I'm actually currently modelling this one. We're both repping Primark, aren't we? My outfit's from here. So's yours. They've also got it in this colour. I quite like that one, all the different colours.
Yeah, that's a bit odd.
And they're actually really comfy. So we're going to do a little outfit of the day. This is from Primark. So are the leggings, and then these boots are Public Desire. What about yours?
Primark. My socks are like, maybe Topshop, that's in year 10. No, they're pretty.
Taking it back to the frilly socks trend. Gonna head to the coat section. I'm a big fan of these puffer jackets they've got in. If you watch my Primark haul, you would see I got this one in red. Little plug for myself there, but I'm a fan of that one. A shameless plug. Yes, they've also got it in red and this like teal blue colour. Heading over to the furry coat section. How soft is this? Well, oh my god, more co-ords. Wow, that is nice. I'm doing a cheeky zoom in on it. Cheeky zoom. That is so nice. Skirt's 10. £18 for the whole co-ord. Wow, that's another Sunday lunch outfit sorted for you. I really like how this one looks, but it didn't look nice on, did it, that fluffy one?
I feel like it did.
It was alright, but it wasn't really, I was expecting it to be quite like overwhelming, like blow me away. No. Then they have all the classic teddy bear ones. They've got black, pink, cream. They've got a lot of coats in here, and the teddy bear coats are 20 as well, so the puffers and the teddy bear ones are both 20. These ones are good because they're kind of puffer coats and teddy bear ones all like combined, aren't they?
Kind of best of both worlds.
Literally, how much are they? 25, fair enough. I like covering all bases, aren't they? So we're just testing out the puffer coats. I like this one, I'm a big fan. I feel like it looks cute. And then you've got the black one.
I feel like I need a long neck for this coat.
If you warm, because it does go like, it is like fully up there. So we've come over to the jumper section, which is just getting me so excited. So I'm just hoping some of the jumpers are going to blow me away because I'm feeling very autumnal today. Because it's officially almost autumn. Oh, this is the one that I've literally worn non-stop since my Primark haul. Like, it's so comfy. Yeah, so nice. And they've got it in pink, oh my god. Oh, I quite like these turtlenecks though. Don't you think they're cute? I like it in pink. And the grey's cute, they're both nice. And they're only £6, that's so good. Yeah, I like these dresses. They're like jumper dresses, aren't they? Big fan.
That's quite tall.
I feel like these would be really good with just boots. Just getting ready for autumn. I think I need some of these. Because you always wear them, don't you? Apparently these velvet plush leggings are really comfortable.
I can vouch for that. I like the khaki.
I like the black one because I'm just a bit more basic. I actually love that. Like, imagine that with boots, just this tied around the waist.
Yeah.
That's really cute. I actually really like this bag. £8. I feel like that would look really nice with any autumnal outfit. Like, I feel like that would just go with your outfit today, wouldn't it? Really.
For sure.
Love that. Okay, so we're about to go into the best section, of course, the shop, pyjama section. So let's see what they've got. They've got the old Friends pyjamas. They've got the Ariana Grande ones. There's the Barbie section. This is just your heaven, isn't it? Really cute. Look, this is like, I swear Misguided had a Barbie bit, didn't they? There's a little co-ord going on. How cute. I'm just like in my heaven. Anything cozy and soft. I'm just like, I like this. It feels really soft. £15. This is cute.
I always want one of these when you get
£15. Oh, I always think that.
one of them bougie, like just floating down the staircase.
Yeah, because you can just wear that around your house, can't you? Really?
Cotton shower.
Wow. How much is that? Have a look. £7. So I showed this in my last Primark haul and would definitely recommend. So you're gonna have that.
Yeah.
It's so good. It's only £8 and it comes with the fluffy top and bottoms. They've got this one. I feel like this is a Christmas set. Is that a bit soon?
No, never too
soon for Christmas. I need to go smell the Christmas candles because I'm just getting so excited. They've literally got like a whole co-ord wall at the back. Like, is that just not a dream? I like the velvet ones. I really like that. And it has the perfect joggers. I actually love this. How much is that? £8. I bet these are £8 as well. Yeah, so all the co-ords are like 16-ish. I always really like these, you know, the little thin dressing gowns just to like do your makeup in. £12, I don't think that's too bad. We've now decided to get a basket because it's getting serious now. Okay, I really like these. I feel like if you watched my Primark haul, you would have seen that I got these and I got them in a medium. They were way too big, so I'm gonna pick up a small, and these are only £5 and they are honestly so comfy. I've currently lost Morgan, don't know where she's gone. Oh, I found her. That was actually a really scary moment, getting lost in Primark by myself.
I'm back, don't
She's
worry.
back. Like, Primark fluffy socks are just a classic, aren't they? Look at all this range. I like these just because I like anything like pink and grey, because I like to match I've realised I'm actually accidentally matching myself to my room. Oh, we're on the escalator.
I don't know how to use an escalator.
They actually scare me, you know, sometimes you get on and you actually do get a bit scared to step on.
I get scared to get off.
I know, because you don't know if you're going to step off in time. So I'm going to head to the homeware section. So I want to get some more bits of my uni room. If they've got anything. No one can tell me it's too early to get excited about Christmas when Primark have got all their Christmas stuff out. Like, there's no stopping us now. Okay, so we've set up the camera. We're going to have a Christmas candle smelling sesh. This one is vanilla and clove. What's your one?
Cinnamon and apple.
Cinnamon and apple.
That's actually
I feel like this when it was burning would be good. Look how cute these are as well. Oh, it's got me so excited. They've also got Christmas tree. Let's smell this one. Oh, that really does smell like Christmas tree. Smell like that. That was very strong. Do you like it?
No, you just shut up.
Sorry.
No, it is strong. Okay,
that smells like fully like Christmas tree farm, doesn't it? £1. That's actually really good.
Cheaper than a Christmas tree.
Get a fake one and burn that candle so you've got the smell of the real one.
That's actually a good idea.
Because real ones so
really
clever.
messy, don't they?
Yeah. I actually love these blankets. I got you this one, didn't I?
Yeah, I literally don't sleep without it.
How cute, goals. You're so cute. Oh, fabulous. Love that. Love that. This, the chunky throw in pink. How nice is that? I'm a big fan of the Primark baskets. I have this one. I have this to put all my makeup palettes in. We're going to have a little browse in the shoe section and just see what they've got to offer. I feel like I've never worn shoes like that, but I'm kind of getting a bit drawn to them. I don't know why. I kind of like these.
I think I was literally about to say that.
And I just think they're quite, they look branded, don't they? And they're really autumnal, and obviously anything autumnal I'm just excited about. I actually like those trainers. One's £14, chunky ones, and they're nice. And they've got them in black. Oh, I'm actually feeling the red as well. I thought that's a good pop of colour. Or, you know what would be good with my red coat and then red trainers?
And then like all black underneath or all white.
Don't you think socks just go missing?
Well, I literally had this conversation last time I came in. I was going to buy some socks and I thought no, because I wear them once and they're gone.
Literally, they're gone. They never come back out. I don't know where they go. No. I put them in the wash and they just don't come back to me. No. We're going to head over to the accessories section. Let's see what they've got going on. I always think I just need a headband to do makeup videos and things, but this one is an option. I quite like this one. I like how this one you can actually see it. Like I think I'd wear that like with this outfit. It does match the vibe. I feel like that's the kind of thing you'll wear. How much is that? £5? Oh, I really am a fan of these clips in Primark. I always get these ones because they're only £1. Right, so we're just having a look in the jewellery section, seeing what they've got. I actually quite like these because they're just plain, aren't they? Just like lay them all up to different levels of your fingers. I like those. And they're only £3. I like those.
And you know I'll wear them all on one finger.
I actually think they're quite cute. Just like quite plain. Let's have a look how they'd look on the ears. Why is it focusing on you? Yeah, I like this bag too. I'm going to try that on. I just feel like it's just calling my name to try it on. Just matches any outfit, doesn't it? I kind of need one to like take back and forth from uni because I don't like taking a suitcase on the train. You know, a mini suitcase is just annoying, isn't it?
Yeah, when I
like this one. £14. Yeah, because you had to get a weekend bag with your initials on. How much was it? Like £50. We came across the scrunchies. Oh, they're nice. Looking for autumnal colours. They are as well, aren't they? Modelling it. Love that. How nice is this? If you're looking for a wash bag for uni or just for daily life, that is so cute. £10 for. Okay, so what it does is it opens like this. I've seen Catherine off the Ace family use this. And then you put all your makeup in here, and you can just open it out. You can just open it out and then you literally scrunch it back up and put it back in. How cool are they? How much are they? Wow, I know they do them on Amazon, but I didn't actually know they do them in Primark. Wow, that is good. Why have they got Halloween stuff already? This is just exciting me so much. Oh, imagine wearing those on Halloween. Wow. Okay, so we're back in the car. We're just going to do a mini haul of what we got. So do you want to go first? Show your stuff.
Oh, okay. Got this that Georgia got the other day because I saw her and I had some serious fear of missing out. So I had to go and get myself a pair. Headband, cute. £3. Got some rings for £1.50. Some clips, glittery.
Cute.
And pink.
Like those.
£2. Thought they're boring.
Why is it like 1,000,000 degrees in here?
I know, I was gonna
your
say.
car is always so hot.
It's hot.
Oh, the cord, my favourite.
Yeah, and then the cord. So the top, it was £8. Sorry, I've just smacked you in the face with my cord. And the joggers.
Did you say how much top was?
Yeah, £8. Also £8.
Love that £16 cord.
Yeah.
Nice. I'll go for my haul now. So I didn't get that much considering I spent like £100 on there the other day. So just got a few bits. I swapped the slippers from a medium to a small because they were so big. And these were £5, big fan of those. And then I got this little hairband. It's like a black plaited one, and this was £2. I'm just gonna empty the windows.
It's so crazy in here.
Yeah, so I got a headband. I thought this would be good for makeup tutorials, so got that. Then I've got these little lights for my uni room, little bulb ones. And they're so cute. I just thought these would look good maybe around my mirror or around the back of my bed. Who knows, £2.50. And then I'm really excited about these, even though my boyfriend just said he doesn't like them, so that's great. But we don't care. These were £12, and I thought these were £12, and I thought this would be really good with my red coat because just red and red. I just thought I'd be matching. I think you were inspiring me today with your with your love of coats. Okay, so I think I'm going to end today's vlog here. I really hope you enjoyed coming around Primark with us. Primark's actually so good right now, isn't it?
It's like the best. It's so good. Like 3 times a week.
It's so good. All the autumn stuff is just like, gets me so excited for the festive season. So if you are new here, then I'd absolutely love if you would stick around and subscribe. We're going to have so much more fun, exciting content. Maybe Morg will be back soon. Just made a big debut today, so it's been a big step. So thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!